Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use effects on YouTube Shorts video, and let's get started. First thing you're gonna do, of course, create a short video. We're going to record some short, and like at the right side you'll find these effects, like button, icon, I don't know, magic, and you have some other effects right here, street view, and other stuff. So we're going to click on some of the effects, and after you added an effect you need to click on this like little mark button, add text, filters, voiceover, sound, and here you will add details, caption your short, choose audience, and after this just upload the video. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful for you. Please make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. See you soon.